What's up guys, Brady here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the two parities on the 4x4. My first example of parity is whenever you have these edges that are kind of swapped around like this. The second example is where there are two pieces that need to go opposite of each other. Like this is red on orange and this is orange on red. So these two need to be swapped. These two looks like they've been flipped around. Now I'm going to be showing you the algorithm for the edge swapping. The notations will be up there. The edge swapping algorithm will also work for 5x5s. And 6x6. Now that this one is solved, time to move on to this one. Like before, the algorithm will be up there. Here it is in person. There is actually one more case of parity, but it's kind of more like a sub-case of the second one. So it's basically where these two center pairs are just swapped side to side instead of back to back. So you want to do the exact same thing as last time, except do the 4 moves, then do it. This is going to be basically the parity algorithm where these two centers are like swapped. Whoops, messed up there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.